Hi friends, our letter this week is letter T. This is the fun one where you circle the letters, or you can put a dot on it or anything you'd like to find letter T's that are done differently. Like here's a T, here's a T, here's a T. So figure that out. T is for turtle. What other things can you find around your house that start with the letter T? If you enjoy drinking a cup of tea, T is DEA for tea. Here's another sheet that shows you different ways to write the letter T. The next page is also different ways to write the letter T. You can highlight the letters, you can trace them, you can do whatever you want with that. And here's a way to practice writing uppercase and lowercase t's. Then on our sheet, which I know you're used to seeing, you start here at the dot, go down, come back, and go across. This is our lowercase t. Turn it over and you'll see our uppercase T. Start at the dot, go down, come back to the top, and go across. Have fun with this, and again, look around your house for things that start with the letter T. Bye, friends.